Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Stanley Tumbler Accessories is probably one of the most sought-after additions for anyone looking to elevate their hydration game, offering a blend of style, functionality, and personalization that transforms the already popular Stanley Tumbler into a truly unique accessory. These aren't just add-ons, they are enhancements designed to make your daily sips more convenient, your tumbler more durable, and your personal style more pronounced, ensuring that your favorite beverage companion is always ready for any adventure, from the gym to the office and beyond. Number 5. Dabria Water Bottle Carrier Bag for Stanley Tumblers. Meet the ultimate accessory for your Stanley Tumbler. This carrier is designed to perfectly fit your 30 ounces or 40-ounce tumbler, offering both style and protection. Crafted from high-quality neoprene, it safeguards your tumbler from scratches and impacts. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your bottle is well protected and won't make noise when set down. It features an adjustable shoulder strap for comfortable carrying and multiple pockets to hold your essentials like your phone, cards, and keys. Stay hygienic on the go with the included straw cover, designed to keep your straw clean and dust-free. Whether you're walking, hiking, or at the gym, this carrier is your ideal companion. It's also a fantastic gift for any Stanley Tumbler enthusiast. Rest assured with its US patented design, ensuring a unique and reliable product. What we like. This accessory offers all-around protection for your tumbler with its premium neoprene material. It also features a convenient phone pocket and an adjustable strap for easy carrying. If you're looking for a way to keep your tumbler safe and your essentials close by while on the go, this is a great choice. What people say. The straw lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. The handle makes it so much easier to carry around. The straw is wide enough for thick drinks and easy to clean. Number 4. 3-in-1 Cup Lid Gap Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing our innovative 3-in-1 cleaning brush set, designed to make your cup cleaning experience more versatile and efficient. Each brush offers 3 distinct functions for a thorough clean. With a rotatable bottle brush head and specialized U-shaped silicone, stranded slit, and stiff bristle corner brushes, it's perfect for cleaning various items. Tackle any cleaning challenge with ease. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with an ergonomic handle, these brushes are built to last. Their strong bristles effectively remove dirt, making them easy to use and comfortable to hold. Featuring a convenient hanging hole, you can easily drain and store them after use, saving space. Their stylish design adds a touch of beauty to your kitchen. This unique cleaning brush makes a great present for friends who appreciate a clean space. Offer them a practical solution that brings convenience and a touch of sparkle to their lives. What we like. This cleaning tool offers a versatile 3-in-1 design to tackle all your cup cleaning needs. With a rotatable brush head and an ergonomic handle, it makes cleaning effortless. If you're someone who values a spotless tumbler and appreciates multifunctional gadgets, this is the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. What people say. This innovative cleaning tool really works well with the silicone teeth getting between the spiral grooves. The brush end is wonderful for reaching the bottom of the 28-ounce bottles or between the wire blender ball. The hard scrub loop is great for cleaning out the crannies and spout of the lid. Number 3. WORBSS Glitter Silicone Boot Sleeve for Stanley Cup H2.0 Tumbler. Introducing the WORBSS Glitter Silicone Boot Sleeve, designed to protect your Stanley Cup H2.0 tumbler and hydro flask. It's the perfect accessory to keep your bottle safe and stylish. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this boot is soft, flexible, and durable. It's safe for everyone, ensuring peace of mind for all ages. Keep your precious water bottles safe from dents, dings, and drops. This twinkled bottom boot provides essential protection and prevents loud noises when setting your bottle down. Designed for a perfect fit on most vacuum-sealed water bottles, including Stanley Quencher H2.0 and Hydro Flask. It securely hugs the bottom, ensuring it won't slip off. Add a stylish touch to your look with our glitter silicone boot. Available in various colors and designs, it's ideal for sports and all your outdoor adventures. Looking for a great gift? This glitter boot is perfect for family, friends, or as a spare. It's a fantastic accessory for Stanley Tumblers and a top choice for holiday gifts. What we like. Add a touch of sparkle to your tumbler with this glitter silicone boot. It provides a snug fit to protect against dents and reduces noise. If you want to personalize your tumbler with a stylish and protective accessory, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The straw lid is a game changer for sipping on the go. I love how the handle makes it easy to carry around. The straw fits perfectly and doesn't leak. Number 2. KTKUDY Silicone Boot for Tumblers and Water Bottles. Introducing the KTKUDY Silicone Boot, your essential accessory for protecting valuable cups. It shields the bottom from scratches and dents, ensuring lasting durability and a pristine condition for your favorite drinkware. Designed for a perfect fit, this protective boot is compatible with a wide range of popular brands. It snugly fits various sizes of Stanley Tumblers, Hydro Flask water bottles, and many more, offering versatile protection. Tired of noisy cups? This silicone bumper boot eliminates clanking when you set your cup down. It also provides a stable grip on surfaces, reducing noise and ensuring peace with every sip. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this boot cover offers a BPA-free, non-toxic, and odorless experience. It's easy to clean and built to last, keeping your tumblers and flasks secure and damage-free. Looking for the perfect gift? This silicone cup boot is an ideal present for friends and family who love outdoor adventures or sports. It's a thoughtful way to help them preserve their cherished cups. Preserve your expensive tumblers and water bottles with our top-notch boot cover. It's specifically designed to prevent enamel chipping at the base, effectively extending the lifespan of your drinkware. What we like? This silicone boot offers ultimate protection for your tumbler, preventing scratches and dents. Its wide compatibility ensures a perfect fit for many popular brands, and it effectively reduces noise when setting your cup down. If you prioritize durability and broad compatibility for your tumbler, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. These KTKUDY silicone boots are a great little upgrade for my Stanley Quencher tumbler. They fit snugly on the bottom and instantly protect the tumbler from scratches, dents, and that loud clanking noise when you set it down on hard surfaces. The silicone is thick, flexible, and feels durable, not flimsy. I like that the 2-pack lets me switch colors or keep a spare. They're easy to put on and take off, and they stay in place without slipping. They definitely help against dents on the bottom edges if dropped. I learned that the hard way. Number 1. YAYAYOUNG 6PCS Cute Stanley Straw Covers. Add a touch of cuteness to your Stanley tumbler with these gorgeous straw covers. Featuring adorable designs like daisies, stars, and cat paws, they make your cup stand out and bring a smile to your face every day. Designed specifically for Stanley 30 and 40-ounce tumblers, these straw toppers fit perfectly onto 0.4-inch straws. They stay securely in place, ensuring a great fit without easily detaching. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these straw covers are odorless, durable, and reusable. You can wash them by hand or in the machine, providing a safe and worry-free experience for daily use. Keep your straws clean and dust-free with these effective silicone tips. They are small and lightweight, making them easy to carry for outdoor activities, walks, or camping trips. These covers not only protect your straw from dust but also attach securely. You can even hang them on the side of your straw when open, preventing loss and ensuring they are always ready when you need them. At YAYAYOUNG, we stand behind our products with excellent customer service. We are committed to providing the highest quality accessories and will respond to any questions within 24 hours. What we like? These adorable straw covers add a fun and functional touch to your tumbler. They are dustproof, reusable, and come in a variety of cute designs. If you're looking to keep your straw clean and add a personalized flair to your drinkware, these toppers are a delightful choice. What people say. They fit a lot of different straws, but especially the Stanley Cup straws that are popular right now. The different kinds of toppers were cute and it's nice variation. Cute toppers, we use on a Stanley straw. They have held up decently well. They stay on the straw well. Great way to keep dust and pesky insects off your straw. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.